So here I have created a herbal ear oil to treat otitis media, which is inflammation or infection in the cavity between the tympanic membrane, the eardrum, and the oval window in the inner ear. I chose this because of how many children there are in my life and how common this condition can be. So the middle ear is linked to the upper throat through the eustachian tube, which drains mucus from the middle ear into the throat. When the tube is blocked, which happens commonly because of upper respiratory tract infections or allergies, the mucus that can build up in the ear creates an environment that's perfect for bacteria and viruses to grow. So it's most common in small children because of the shape and angle of the tube itself. It can clear up on its own, but the symptoms can be quite distressful and may cause parents to seek out treatments from their doctors, such as antibiotics. The ear oil that I have made is comprised of herbs that are antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and lymphatic. So calendula officinalis or calendula, lymphatic, anti-inflammatory, and made for wound healing, or great for wound healing. Verbascum thapsus or mullein, anti-inflammatory, used as an oil for easing inflamed surfaces, specifically in the ears. Hypericum perfolatum, which is St. John's wort, inflammation, antibacterial, and great for external healing as well. Allium sativum or garlic is used for its wonderful antimicrobial properties. This oil is only to be used if the eardrum is not already ruptured. So you'll have to view the tympanic membrane to make sure that it hasn't ruptured already or we're not to administer the drops. So dosage is dependent on the client, but 2 drops 2 times daily would be average. So the client must have their head tilted to the side with the infected ear facing up, but we do want to have our nose tilted slightly down so the oil will drip in. Before bed is a great time to administer one of the two times daily. So if the membrane has been ruptured, a topical massage around the ears with essential oils can be used as an alternative to offer relief. Lavender is a great essential oil option for that. It can also be put into the drops. 1 drop per 5 ml will help with the smell as well. I did notice, obviously, the garlic is quite potent. And that is my advice on the oil. It is a little bit weird. I don't use eardrops. I don't ever recall using eardrops as a kid, so a little bit different. And the garlic smell is quite potent.